Hello, I'm Ahmed, and welcome back to the channel. I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into a topic that's absolutely vital for your overall well-being. Today we're tackling a crucial topic: blood sugar balance. It's something that affects every single one of us, whether we realize it or not. Understanding how to manage your blood sugar levels is key to feeling your best. When blood sugar is out of balance, it affects your energy, leaving you feeling sluggish and drained. It's that mid-afternoon slump we all dread, and it's often directly linked to unstable blood sugar. Beyond energy levels, it impacts your mood, causing irritability and brain fog, and more importantly, your long-term health. Consistently unbalanced blood sugar can contribute to serious health issues down the road. The good news? You don't need extreme diets or restrictive meal plans, just smart, sustainable changes that you can easily incorporate into your daily life. We're talking about simple, manageable adjustments that make a big difference. In this video, I'll reveal 12 everyday foods, readily available at your local grocery store, backed by science, with research and studies supporting their positive effects on blood sugar regulation. These aren't obscure ingredients or complicated recipes. These are foods that can help you manage your blood sugar naturally and effectively. We'll break down why they work, exploring the specific nutrients and compounds within each food that contribute to blood sugar control. We'll also discuss how to use them for lasting health, providing practical tips and suggestions for incorporating these foods into your diet for long-term benefits. So grab a pen and paper, get ready to learn, and let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a spice rack staple: cinnamon. It's far more than just a delicious addition to your favorite recipes. Cinnamon boasts a range of health benefits that might surprise you. Emerging research indicates that cinnamon can play a significant role in how your body processes insulin, potentially improving insulin sensitivity. This is great news for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Studies have also demonstrated its ability to lower fasting blood sugar levels, offering a natural way to support healthy glucose metabolism. And the best part? You don't need a lot to reap these rewards. Incorporating just half a teaspoon of cinnamon into your daily routine can make a noticeable difference to your overall health and well-being. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are loaded with fiber and antioxidants. They slow digestion, prevent blood sugar spikes, and fight inflammation. Add a handful to your meals for a simple blood sugar boost. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries are low in sugar and high in fiber. Their anthocyanins help improve insulin sensitivity. Enjoy a handful as a snack or with yogurt for a sweet, smart choice. Almonds and walnuts are packed with healthy fats, protein, and magnesium. They slow sugar absorption and help keep your energy steady. A small handful makes a perfect snack for blood sugar control. Choose whole grains like oats and quinoa over refined grains. Their fiber slows digestion and leads to a gradual blood sugar rise. Start your day with whole oats for a metabolism-friendly breakfast. Chia seeds are fiber powerhouses that form a gel in your stomach, slowing sugar absorption. They're also rich in anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Stir a tablespoon into yogurt or smoothies for steady energy. Plain Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics. It slows sugar absorption and supports a healthy gut, which is key for metabolic health. Choose unsweetened varieties for the best results. Beans and lentils offer protein and slow-digesting carbs. Their fiber keeps blood sugar steady and keeps you full. Add them to salads, soups, or curries for a filling, blood sugar-friendly meal. Garlic contains compounds that may help lower fasting blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. It's easy to add to sauces, stir-fries, or roasted veggies. Use it often for both flavor and health benefits. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and fiber with almost no sugar. They slow digestion and help prevent blood sugar spikes. Add to salads, toast, or smoothies for creamy, steady energy. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound shown to lower blood sugar and fight inflammation. Regularly eating broccoli supports metabolic health. Enjoy it steamed, roasted, or raw. Apple cider vinegar, thanks to its acetic acid, can improve insulin sensitivity and blunt blood sugar spikes after meals. Mix 1-2 tablespoons in water and drink before eating. It's a simple, affordable habit with real benefits. So, there you have it. We've explored a range of delicious and nutritious options that can make a real difference in managing your blood sugar levels. Remember, it's not about restriction, but about making informed choices that support your overall well-being. These 12 powerful foods offer a fantastic starting point for better blood sugar control. Incorporating them into your diet can be easier than you think, and the benefits extend far beyond just managing your glucose levels. Think increased energy, improved digestion, and a stronger immune system. Remember, small, consistent changes can transform your health over time. It's not about overnight miracles, but about building sustainable habits that support your long-term well-being. Every positive choice you make contributes to a healthier, happier you. Try adding just 1 or 2 of these foods to your meals this week. Experiment with different recipes and find ways to incorporate them that you genuinely enjoy. The more you like what you're eating, the more likely you are to stick with it. Think about how you can integrate these foods into your existing meal plan this week. Maybe it's adding berries to your breakfast, swapping white rice for quinoa at dinner, or snacking on almonds instead of processed snacks. Small tweaks can make a big difference, and always consult your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized guidance based on your individual health needs and help you create a safe and effective plan. It's crucial to seek professional medical advice before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you're currently on medication or have any underlying health conditions. Your doctor can help you navigate potential interactions and ensure your safety. Thank you for watching and for taking the time to invest in your health. Remember, you are worth the effort, and every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a victory. If you found this information helpful and insightful, and if it resonated with you on your journey to better health, please show your support by subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Your engagement helps us reach more people and spread valuable health information. Let me know in the comments below, which of these foods are you most excited to try first? Share your experiences, your favorite recipes, and any tips you have for incorporating these foods into your daily routine. We're all in this together.